So this is important video called the binary tree level order traversal. Okay, so basically this is another code. I think everyone should just try to remember it because it's very important, and you can use this to solve other problems very easy. So in this video, what we need to know is somebody give you a binary tree, and then you want to compact into this form. Okay, so 3, 9, 10, 15, 7. Okay, so this is the problem what we need to code what we need to develop. Okay, so we start from the empty list. If the root is empty, then we just return the empty. Then otherwise there's always one root, so we define q as a root. And if the length of q is non-zero, so basically the length of q means that because now root is always null, so in the first we always have, and this rest will append the node value for node in q. So basically, you will return you will append 9 and 3. So you will append 9 and 3. You append 9 and 3, and then now we start a new list. And for this new list, with from each node from 9 or 20, then we append its left and right. We append its left and right. So this is the next level. So this new queue, it contains 15 and 7. And finally we will let this new queue to be the queue, and then we keep going until the length of queue is 0. Okay, so from this, then we will append this 15, 7. Let me see. We will append its. We will start from 3, and yeah. So we will start from the append 3 and append 9, 20, and append 15, 7. Okay, so this is, I guess you guys can understand this code very well. And then there's a similar problem called the binary tree level order traversal. Basically give you a same result but just reverse the previous. So all the code are exactly the same. The only difference is just use this symbol to reverse the list. Okay, so I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.